Hi everyone, welcome back to Paracord Planet. Today we have a very fun video for you, at least I hope it's going to be fun. We're going to be making a pepper out of paracord with a little bit of a catch. We have our own pepper here that we're going to be putting on some chicken. We're going to be eating that and trying to get through the tutorial. With that in mind, let's get paracording. For our project today, we are going to need 2 different strands of 550 paracord in any color of red that you would like. Today we're going to be using Imperial Red. We also have an extra scrap of our Kelly Green. I'd say it's probably about 3 feet. We only need that for the stem of our pepper. We have our 2 sauces over here, one being the XXX, second one being the Black Garlic Carolina Reaper, and we have our chicken. So for our first step, we have found the middle of both of our Imperial Red 550 paracord, and we have made a little bit of a cross right through the middle. For the first step, well, we're going to get to that in a second because I have to eat some hot sauce. Okay. Okay. We're going to take the bottom strand and we're going to bring it up top. We're then going to take the top strand and we're going to take the top strand and we're going to bring it down to the bottom so that we have a little bit of a loop just like so. Step number 2. It's the hardest thing I've ever eaten. Okay. Step number 2. Step number 2. We're going to take the right side of our working strand. We're going to come over top of the top strand and underneath the bottom strand. It's good, but oh my gosh. Okay. You almost can't even think. It's so hot. We're going to take the left strand. We're going to go over top of our strand going down and underneath our strand going up. Once you have pulled the slack on your strings, you're going to have what looks to be a little bit of a box, and we do just want to tighten this up now. So we just want to cinch everything down. So you want to have something that looks like a square. Our next step does require us to eat some chicken. I'm sweating, dude. It's not even the initial putting it in your mouth, it's the swallowing and literally the burn that just goes down your throat afterwards. It's insane. For our next step, excuse me, we do want to follow the design here. So because our left strand is on the bottom right, we want to take that strand and we want to make a U going across the top. And then something gets caught right in the back of your throat. So because our working strand is on the bottom right, we want to make a U to make sure that it passes the top string. So we want this next working strand to be on the top rather than on the bottom, and that's going to give us our circular sinnet weave. We're going to keep doing the exact same thing. So we have our string that is going upwards. We want to take this. We want to make a U. And we want it to be ending on the right side of our weave. We're going to take the leftmost strand, and this time we're going to come down below because it is sitting on the top right now. So we're going to bring it like that. And finally, with our bottom string, we're also going to be making a U, except this time, the one thing that's different is you want to take the working strand and put it under the last strand that we have here. So once again, you want to have this box shape where all of the ends of our working strands are going underneath another piece of paracord. And if you have that correct, you can just start tightening up. And after our second pass, as you can see, we are starting right back in the exact same position that we started our first pass in. We're going to continue the weave. We'll come back to the video whenever we do get to the end of our pepper, but we are going to be taking some chicken breaks every other pass. All right, we're on our fourth pass that we're about to be doing now. Time for a piece of chicken. We're going the other one this time. We're going XXX this time around. See which one is just hotter and worse. The XXX one is way hotter. All right, 8 passes down. Time for some more chicken. I just want everybody to know, too, that everybody in our office is watching this right now. A black garlic one just hurts the second you put it in your mouth, man. The flavors are so good, but I'm going to be honest, it like stays on your tongue. My tongue is on fire right now. I feel like I can't talk correctly. Which is the point. All right, so we did want to make a little bit of a top on our pepper here, and the way that we did that is we took our Kelly green and we literally just laid it along the working strands of our imperial red, and we did the exact same weave, and when we tightened it down, of course because we had 2 paracords, made it a little bit thicker. Now to end the stem, all that we need is the green, so we can go ahead and cut our imperial red and burn them down. Of course, before we do this next step of cutting our red paracord and singeing down, time for some chicken. Just give me 2 seconds. I can't even think. I can't think. Once we did cut and singe our imperial red on our pepper, we just made 1 box knot with our Kelly green, just to give it a little bit of symmetry on the top right there. So to end off our pepper, we're just going to be doing a 4-strand weave. We'll do it for a couple weaves, clip off all of our Kelly green, and we'll finish up the video. So here we have our completed pepper made out of paracord. And I do love this project for one reason. This is a great way to practice either your sinnet round knots, or you can even switch it up halfway through and start doing the box knot. But either way, great practice for both of those weaves. Have yourself a great day. We'll see you on the next video. And we're going to end this one with the reason you actually came here: to see people around our office getting hurt. It's just a little. That's good.
Is that too much?
No, he went for it. Oh my goodness. It takes a second, but it hits you.
I got so confident for a second. Yeah, that's pretty hot. Gotta go back for seconds. I only need a second.
Spiciest one.
This one.
That one?
Yeah.
Good. I guess I like spicy food.
You do?